gonna be about y'all. Look how cute you are.
I'm sure I'm going to feature prominently in there, reading everything to everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
First, although this is the most important of the two chapter houses, it has a simpler entrance, and second, the base of the central pier does not entirely correspond with the form of the pier, suggesting a change of design in the course of the work. I like these little necklaces too that are Celtic. Celtic. Yeah, they were not on the sale. Yeah. This was on the night. And I think.
Oh, is it my go?
It is.
I'm gonna skip.
You're gonna skip.
Yeah.
Bought it from whom?
Linda on my turn.
What?
Linda on my turn.
How much did you buy it for? You have to do it public. You can't buy secretly.
I didn't buy it secretly. I said, hey, would you like to sell me your Dumbo? And she said, yes. How much? And I said, 500. Yeah.
Yeah, do the math. Golly.
This is all your fault.
No one is honest in this.
No, it is not.
Ian is not competitive at games. He does not care who wins or loses.
He does know.
But he does know. You got that right.
You see what you wrought here?
Yeah, well.
Thing probably scared her to death.
Three, two, one, go.
Drinks at a bar. Opens a jar. Twists a jar. Twists the jar. Tightens the jar. Opens the jar. Turns the jar. Alan Carr. Will go far. Gets out of the car, twists in the car. Boy, what you were really good. Here we go.
Right there.
What was your favorite part of the week?
Seeing you.
That was sweet. What about you, Dad?
I really enjoyed walking the streets of Glasgow, seeing the botanical gardens, and seeing you.
Thanks. Are you excited to go home?
Not especially.
Mom's a little excited.